Welcome to Aerial Elite Solutions' brief instructional video on being a visual observer, or VO, for a remote pilot of a UAV or drone. The responsibility of a visual observer for a drone pilot is to assist in maintaining situational awareness during drone operations. The visual observer's primary role is to keep a visual track of the drone at all times, keeping an eye out for any potential hazards or obstructions in the surrounding airspace. They also communicate with the drone pilot, providing information about the drone's position, altitude, and any other relevant flight parameters. Additionally, the visual observer may assist in monitoring the drone's sensors, recording flight data, and ensuring compliance with regulations and operating procedures. Although FAA does not require a visual observer to be used, it has become a safer way for enterprise drones to perform inspection work when obstacles in the area present potential disruptions in flight route. We encourage a visual observer to have a set of binoculars on hand and have the ability to communicate on a two-way radio, although overall situational awareness is the key for a visual observer, and we do not want focus on just the aircraft alone through binoculars, but rather be able to see potential hazards more clearly. Visual assistance comes in handy around small obstructions, like guy wires or power lines, and is just another key to maintaining safe flights and data collection for customer. The pilot in command will be providing instructions to a visual observer consisting of the following information. 1. Location. The VO will receive the specific location or coordinates where the drone flight will take place, including any additional instructions regarding landmarks or specific areas of interest. 2. Flight detail. Pilot will inform the visual observer about the planned flight duration, altitude, and flight path, including any areas or altitudes to be avoided or restrictions that need to be followed. 3. Drone identification. As the visual observer, you will know how to identify the drone being used for the flight. You will see the aircraft prior to takeoff, including details such as the model, size, color, and any visible markings or lights on the drone. 4. Safety precautions. There is no such thing as being too safe or paying too close of attention. You must stay alert, off of any mobile or electronic device not involving communicating with the pilot in command, and maintain a safe distance from other people, structures, and aircraft. Follow local regulations, especially regarding privacy and no-fly zones. 5. Communications. Establish clear communication protocols between yourself and the drone pilot. Determine the method of communication, such as two-way radios or hand signals, and ensure both parties understand how to use it effectively. 6. Emergency procedures. Be aware of emergency procedures and contingency plans with the pilot. Request instructions on what to do in case of unexpected situations, such as loss of control, low battery, or encountering obstacles. 7. Visual observer duties. The specific responsibilities of the visual observer is maintaining visual contact with the drone at all times, monitoring the flight environment for potential hazards, and providing feedback to the pilot on the drone's location and surroundings. 8. Weather conditions. Inform the pilot about the current weather conditions, as well as forecast during the scheduled flight time and see how this will impact the drone flight. We cannot overemphasize the importance of monitoring weather changes and ensuring the flight remains within safe operating parameters. 9. Regulatory requirements. Be familiar with and adhere to any applicable local laws, regulations, or permits governing drone operations. 10. Record keeping. Visual observer should keep a log of the flight, including the date, time, flight duration, and any notable observations or incidents during the flight. This is one of the simplest, yet most difficult and important jobs to have. Thanks for joining us for this Visual Observer training session. You are now officially an Aerial Elite Solutions Visual Observer. If ever you have any questions, don't hesitate on asking. Pay attention and stay safe.